First thing, I have to check your attendance. As I call your name, you say present and raise your hand, no? Saan tarong? 24. Abadis.
Hi.
Abisia. Academia.
Present.
Akain. Agaw. Wala. Agaw. Agbo. Wala. Albania. Alio. Antwe. Ardinia or Ardina or Ardino.
Okay na kayo. Yung trawid lang.
Wala yun may sudsod. Aison.
Okay ra. Oh. Ay ka malak ta ultra wide man.
Balag. Balag ni balay. Balag. Bye-bye. Ade diri luyo. Berha. Biban. Bigno. Bongkalan. Bongkawel. Borgite. Kabando. Cabisares. Cabisares. Cabonita.
Present tayo.
Cantones. Capasio. Carrido. Sibalies. Cirujales. Coloso. Coloso ne. Cornel. Karon pagkanisod Cornel. Proto. Dahaw. Dokay. Elnar. Wala. Iskanya. Evangelista. Gabonada. Pila mo ka evangelista diri? Ha? Upat mo ka evangelista?
Apat ba kaya isa lang tayo? Ha?
Kasi sa ibang seksyon mayroon din evangelista.
Ah, relative mo yan hindi. Hindi pa sila wala. Hindi sila kanila tayo.
Hatamosa.
Present tayo.
Hernandez. Itim or item. Itim. Lahoy, lahoy. Longos. Mayormente. Paz. Piuquinto.
May pan.
Ventura. Incierto.
Absent.
De la Rosa. Kinsay wa matawag. Ha? Kinsay wa kadungo. Okay. So, we have finished our lecture for chapter 1.
Yes, tayo.
So we will start with our plate number 1. To start with, you have to secure your papers, no? You can secure your papers by buying this paper at 150, no? So, duhat, tris, upat, sais, tulo, 5, unong, 10. So, ang palita, jutay lang ka ng igo ra magamit kay ayaw mong pagtinir o daghan kay mga gumos na inyong dadagon, no? So, kaya lang igo ang magamit. Tagurara, tag-tris, tag-2.
Tesa, pila man ta?
O tulo, 5.
3, 6, 9. Diba kamay bakit na? 9 pesos.
Dodo ano to?
Dua?
Okay.
6, 9, 12, 13, 14. Yusa lang na.
Pilay amot. Kasi mati
What up? Tayo ko. Pagano tawag piso?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15,
Pagano tawag piso?
21.
Ako tayo yung ko, kaya tayo ng team.
Tagay lang ko.
9, 10.
Ah, ayun, 5. Ha?
3, 9, 18.
Eh, walo. Sigo pa. Supli naman. Tulo-tulo yun niya, aduduhan.
Kuya, so dua.
Aduduhan.
Supply na mo yan.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
Nasa na yung game mo. Yeah, bagi mo sa kaya. Bago sa kaya. Usabo.
Bagus sakay.
Extra acid na ibayad.
Sicilio sa buntag.
Walo.
Ski nga lagi sa no.
Yeah, napo naman na din niya.
Park mall. IT Park. Abot na tayo IT Park.
Mata ako masking nabili sa dorm. Dorm nagigamit para pili.
Wala to sa dansin.
Ginan siya rin mo. Kansi rin ko. Ang gisubay.
3 times
Ako may konduktor na kansi.
Uy, Kim, ay pamukom, Kim. 1, 2, 3.
Bos anak.
Insert to.
Taman.
Yan. Wow. Nagmamahal.
May video pa yung
Uy. What's up, YouTube? Okay.
Ako masking gigamit. Pili ba mo dapat?
Bilay mo. Saan ka pala mo? Wala ko pala.
Okay. Kung nalaman yung ship.
Sundan. 1, 1.
1-1? 1-1? 1-1? Oo, 1-4. Scam, di ko. Kila din palitan na? 900. 1-1 lang. Asa na nga 1?
Pakayas ka to? Pareho mo brand. Pareho mo brand.
1-4 lang ako. Kaya pa ito, 1-4 mo?
Kinsa? Okay, palit niya na. Kinsa?
Andre, kaya sagurado Andre. Kaya sagurado?
Asa ko?
Ah, okay na yun. 900 no?
Kaya na maging kita. Eh, baligyan mo sa mga yan. 900 sa.
Ang kasi ka natin ilang buwan. Kurang na din kami. Ano yung magkakaroon?
Wala na siya ka na. Kung
Naputol na ba? Naputol dito. Sumpay pa.
Paano mo ka na? Ayaw lang yun.
Ang magamit ka mo na hindi ka na. Hindi ka niya.
Kasi, may turn na mo. Wala ka din. Baligyan mo. Same price. Ang palit ni mo 900. Palit ni mo 100. Ay, 900. 900 ko baligyan. Kung may offensive, okay. Wala kayo loss. Profit. Ginan siya na tanong.
Kaya na magkuwang ballpen na ba? Okay, masking. Oh, daray mong application para 4 piece. Application for PEL. Application para si mong 4 piece. Private airman. Oh, application para sa 4 piece. Application para sa 4 piece.
Okay, first thing, how do you assemble your P-square? Now, kani mong head, ang slot facing you, ang kani flap facing down, while the tail is up facing out, and then i-assemble ana. No? Ana. Okay? Unya, ang gamit din ay ginasya sa left side. Left side always face to the right and slide up and down. Okay? So, gamit galit ka mga triangle, kinanglan, itong-tong yung triangle in this square. In this square, pirmi yun yung nakasandi. Okay, nakasandi. Ayaw, kinana mo this square, kung gamit ka yung triangle, dili na isakto ang iyang angle. No? So, kinanglan, permanente na press ni mga this square towards the right. No? Okay. So, kung mag-iwa ka horizontal line, ganun yung T-square mo ganito, horizontal. Okay. Kung mag-iwa ka vertical line, gamit ka sa triangle, kaning L na portion mo ni siya vertical. No? Sandig siya mo sa T-square, anak, o nga, mag-iwa ka o vertical. Pwede mo i-slide mo kung asa kadakita mag-iwa o vertical. Okay? Pwede sa ito kung saka. Pwede sa nilain na triangle, anak niya po, vertical. Karon ang mag-iwa kang angle, kani siya nga angle, 45 degrees siya. So meaning, towards the left, imuha, imunana. Towards the right, imunana. So, imuha ka 50 degrees angle, kani siya mo ang ibutang sa square, mo ni siya 50 degrees angle. To the right, or to the left, to the left. Okay? Ang 60 degrees, kani may imong dapat sa sa square, o to the right, mo siya, o to the left, siya. Okay? So, remember, kung gamit mo ang triangle, maagin na ay square ito ay sa liga. Okay? Para accurate. So, to start with, how do you fasten your paper? Ang tanan yung papel, ibutang sa center sa inyong table, o niya, i-align ito yung inner line, i-align siya sa multi-square, sa inner line, i-align multi-square. Ang karin yung imabaw ganito na to ha, ayaw rin ilaw. I-align mo ng square, na, once ma-align na, imo nang i-press ang square, imong mapitlan diri ang masking tape ang mga corner, ang upat ka corner. Kagmay lang ang masking tape ganita, ayaw palabing ko. Gaya matagbaw ka o tangtang, no? So, pagkaumanin mo na, ready na ka na mag-draw. Okay? So, to start with your drawing, gamitan din ninyo 2H or 3H. But before that, suwati gina ninyo ang kanang mga blanco diha, no? Suwati nag mga pangan, course, tapad sa course o unsang oras ang inyong klase, no? O kanang plate number. Mao kinay unahon ninyong fill up. Ang gamito ninyong lapis HB, no? HB gamito ninyong lapis para sa pangan, sa course o sa kanang plate number. Beside the course ang oras sa inyong klase. 11 to 12 buwan. O wa o mahuman sa inyong trabaho, ipas mo ng papel, doon na yung mga pangan, dili na namawa, no? Kaya kung napas niyo may pangan, matagbaw na tayo pangita. Okay? So, maunay, buhato. Pero, kung nakamang na sa inyong papel, ang atong sundan,
Cameraman. Short time.
going gold.
Ay, yante.
Kuchin-chin. Kalimot ko nag-video naman. Okay, so Yata na Zaylin. Sa Zaylin. Hindi, baka na po.
Oh, kami na mo. First thing to do is determine the center of your paper. Okay, how do you do it? By connecting the diagonal here and the diagonal here in the inside portion, and the intersection of the diagonal will be the center. Okay, so we will connect the diagonal. You just mark a line, a short line at the center. Also here. So, the intersection here is your center. Okay? Do not use a dark line. You just use 2/8 or 3/8. Hanap lang. Okay? So, iba na mo asa ang center sa inyong papel. Okay. Now, to start with, our plate number 1 is not to copy this one. No? This one is in the form of 30 degrees oblique drawing. From the oblique drawing, we are going to prepare an isometric form of this object. No? So how do we do the isometric? To do the isometric first, you locate that in an isometric axis. So meaning, we have to construct an isometric in your page. We draw the object. But first, plan on how to, what we call, locate your axis. For example, an isometric axis contains vertical axis, a horizontal which is 30 degrees to the right, and the horizontal which is 30 degrees to the left. So meaning, and the vertical axis, we plan to locate our corner of the track on the vertical axis. So therefore, to estimate the size of your object depends on the size of your paper. Okay? For example, my paper is as big as our sample. No? My paper is as big as our sample. So I can use the same size in my paper. Well, in your case, your size might be, if this is your paper, your size might be like that or like that, no? Check in your paper, no? Okay? So, now, our vertical axis of the isometric should fall on this corner, should fall on this corner. So, where do we locate now this vertical in our paper? First, you estimate the size of the object. This is our size of the object. We place it in our paper. This is our center. So, okay, the height of our object. And that is our center. Okay. So, this is the location of our object. That is only an estimate. No? Since we do not have measurement here, we apply our proportion and estimate. No? Proportion and estimate. Okay? So, meaning, what do we understand by proportion? You select the side as your base and compare all the sides to that base, and that is the proportion. Okay. Now, we are going to locate our vertical axis. Our vertical axis should follow this corner. So, that is located between the center and the end. So, if this is our center and then midway is our vertical axis. No? So, now you construct vertical axis with your triangle and T-square. You slide your T-square and then the triangle, or you do it like that and slide it. So meaning, you get your triangle such that you get the vertical. Okay, so that is your vertical axis. Now, how about the 30 degrees to the right? Use your T-square and triangle, then slide this one, and hit the intersection. Okay, that is 30 degrees to the right and 30 degrees to the left. Okay, so you are now your isometric axis. Okay. Now, to start with, determine the height of this. How do we determine? For example, the total height of the object is here, so you go down a little until you reach this point, so that is your height. So in our case now, the total height is here, so we determine by lowering it down until this point here. So that is our height, and that is our base. All the dimensions there will be compared to our base. Okay? So you have now the height of your corner. You have the height of the corner. Next, analyze. This is a perfect circle. The margin here and margin here and here are equal. So therefore, this is also a perfect square. The perfect square has 4 equal sides. So meaning, this side is equal to that. This side is equal to that. This side here is equal to that. So meaning, since you have already you know already your one side, all you have to do is copy that side by using your compass and lay it here. So this is your side. That is your side. And then from here also the same. So up to the side, and from here also, so up to the intersection. So meaning your side and the top portion should be up to here. So when you lay up now your vertical, you draw vertical line, and that should hit your corner there. And draw 30 degrees line. That should hit also the corner. Now you have already the square, the isometric square. Next, what is the thickness here? Thickness here. So, the thickness, we compare our thickness. This is our thickness. Compare it with our base. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, we divide our base into 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, that is our thickness. So, you get your compass. So that is our thickness, no? And then draw vertical. When I say draw vertical, you use your T-square and triangle. No? Ayaw kalimot. Tingali niya lang kung sundon inyo na pagsusundan. Draw, use the triangle with T-square. Okay, use triangle with T-square. Okay, so naanatay thickness. Now, this point, that point, and that point has the same parallel line, but we have to include the tip of the rope. So how do we place the rope? Okay, now if we look at our model, if we draw a line completing it a square, the distance from the center here is this one. No? So you compare that with our side. So 1/2 is up to here, while our measurement is up to here, so more than 1/2. Okay? But that is through the center of the clock. Through the center of the clock. So meaning, we look for the center of our diamond. How do you look for the center of the diamond? You connect the diagonal. You connect the diagonal. So this is the center of our clock. So we draw vertical. Okay, and then since we measure here, that is our height, so compare it here, that is more than 1/2, so we will have, if this is our 1/2, more than 1/2 is somewhere here. So our opening will be up to here. Then you can connect that to to the other point here and draw the line. On the other side, draw a line. Okay? So you have now the roofing. Now, we are now 1, 2, 3, 4. So those 4s contain a parallel line with 30 degrees. So we say use 30 degrees.
Putang ina ka sa Malaysia.
Okay. Now, how do we complete? Use 2 triangles to complete. Align this one on this line and then place the other triangle at the bottom. And then slide this towards the right and hit the corner here. Okay. The upper side, do the same. Okay, so you have now the housing. What is needed is the isometric circle. Now, take note. Our margin here is very small compared to the margin here. So it is not centered. Our margin here is almost similar. No? So we need to move this down. But instead of moving it down and erasing it, you use another paper, place it on above and locate it so that you will have the equal distance here and here. So that it will be centered. And then you align this with your T-square before you place your adhesive and trace. Okay, so finalize the trace with 2B or 3B. Okay, so now we go to how do we come up with the isometric circle. To come up with the isometric circle, take note that our clearance here is as much same as here and same as here. So meaning we have to construct an inner diamond to form our isometric circle. Okay? So our margin here, if we compare now, this is our margin, compare it here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to divide that by 6. So this one up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So that much. So we place it here.
Basically, game. Basically, the game.
Okay.
Okay? So we construct an inner diamond. How do we construct an inner diamond? Using the vertical, slide your triangle on top of your T-square. Draw a line. Slide up. Draw a line. Use 30 degrees. Slide it in your T-square. Draw a line. Slide downward. And draw a line. Okay? So you have now an inner diamond. Next,
Sila kasi mong gamit.
draw the center line which is the 30 degrees horizontal line through the center, passing through the center.
Halit ko ba?
Okay, the vertical line passing through the center. Meaning, this point is the midpoint of the line. This point is the midpoint of the side. This point is the midpoint of that side, and this point is the midpoint of that side. Okay? Then, to draw the isometric circle, we need 4
Mali ba?
centers or 4 radius. Okay? You cannot do circle. You play center and do it, do circle. No, that is not isometric. Okay? To form the isometric, we need 4 centers and 4 radius. Okay? So, to form the centers, we have from this corner connected to the opposite side center, or to the other side. So the same as the other, the opposite side, here up to here.
Estimate ano ko na sir? Ay, depende. Book lang. Estimate ko na.
Okay, now you have the 4 centers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ano nasa kasi mga bin?
Now, you can use now your
Palit ko
compass.
niya. Palit talaga.
Start from here. Extend your pencil up to the line there and draw a knot.
Sakto na.
Okay? Do it at the opposite side. Draw a knot. Okay? Transfer your pen here. Extend your pencil up to this portion and situate that they are equal. So meaning, okay, transfer it here and situate that they are equal. So, you have now the isometric circle. Remember, do not do it from the center and draw your circle. That's all. Okay? So, now, once you get the one, so you erase those lines that are not needed.
Sisiksa pa, concentrate pa po.
Kasi lapis kami ito. Baga na natin.
Okay. Now we will install the numbers and the hands of the clock. Okay. Here, horizontal, you will have 9 and 3. Vertical, you will have 12 and 6. So here, our horizontal is this line here. No? So you will have 9, 3. Our vertical is this line here, so you will have 12 and 6. The distance between 3 and 6, you divide it by 3. So this is your 4, this is your 5. The distance between 6 and 9 divided by 3. So this is 7, and this is 8. The distance between 9 and 12 divided by 3. This is 10, that is 11. Distance between 12 and 3 divided by 3. That is 1, and that is 2. Okay. Now, draw a small circle at the center. Copy the hour. What is the time?
10.
15. So meaning, the short hand points beyond our dead, 1/4 distance beyond our dead. Long hand points 3. So we say, if we divide this into 4, that is 1/4. So that is where our short hand points. Our long hand will be going to 3.
Sketch.
Sketch mo siya.
So, that is how to draw the isometric. Now, in finalizing, as I've told you, use another sheet of paper and locate the center. No? And that's the time for you to finalize. Be sure to write your name, your course and time of the class, and the plate number. Because you have only how many minutes to stop and pass your paper.
So, sa tagandaan.
Bumilag na anda.
Mahal. Matay ko.
When you write your name, use HB. HB. And when you write capital letters, write
Ang ina ni Chiwa.
Kita na bitaw. Kita na bitaw.
Sorry guys. Kita niyo yung bad side ko.
That's not you.
It's my inner child.
HB. Sa nga.
HB yung mga ano.
Last name mo na.
Habibi. Habibi mga ano.
Habibi, my friend. Di ba, usang nga. Usang nga, crafting. Usang.
Ha?
Lapis?
Oh, lapis.
HB.
Habibi ba? HB.
HB.
Habibi. Ay, lapis na yun.
Lapis lagi.
Oh, HB, asang HB. Pero HB. HB.
HB.
Ano ni?
Parang kaya ba yun? Ano yung format system? Ano yung format system?
Last name mo na. Lapis di kailangan na eh. All caps. HB din lang kailangan.
Tabi, tabi, tabi. Here comes the song on a broken hearted. Singko lang ang grado ko, yeah.
Hindi pwede.
Thank you, Lord.
Kasi
Roman
sa course
Ray.
gano'n, kwanza, 18 niya, ang tayo.
BS 8 yun, kalimitang BS na. Bias
Think
mo.
wait, graduate.
Bachelor Science mo na, ato mo ng course.
Ano na, di ba? Ito doon, nag-grow sa ko. Delete ko na ito.
Eh,
H4.
Nasa name daw niya.
peace po. B akong gigamit. BP. Pero kung H.
Post na niya, wala tayo pa rin.
Kikita naman lang nila yung tay. Pwede ko palit bago tay. Sabihin ako kung gamit. Sketch tay ka na. Palit ko bago.
Kaglayan pa pin. Time naman, oh, kapit na. Kapit na ng tusi.
B mo tumigan.
Okay, mukhang pa. Bakti. Naka-extra na. Sarap. Ito mo ko lang.
HB. Para sa name lang.
Ano mo dito? Ano dito tayo? Ano sa may mong ganang ito? That's requirement.
Ako, masang drawing table sa mga agad.
Katong 2H or 3H, HB, and 2B or 3B.
Ano yun? Alas 12 no?
Remember, you cannot take home your work. Okay.
Nag-dumpster.
Sa HP.
Yes, indeed.
Kami na lang yun.
Only future.
Sabi may kailangan.
Architect. And then,
Pili, measurements.
future architect.
Pili, measurements sa...
Asking mo
Teka
na.
lang. Wala.
Ay, ma-share sa pangalan.
Ano siya dito? Camera 3H.
Samat.
Aliyo.
Ay, ikaw may doon.
Diyan sila ko tayo, di man sa lugar.
Force guy.
10 to 11 sa? Ibutan ba ang day?
Ang oras. Ang oras.
Ligo sir, ano?
Oras. 11 to 3.
Tay, okay rin yung nani tay.
Oh.
Inani na ko tay.
Ikaw na nag-event mo?
BSA.
Ay, dili. Dali akong gisugdan na event. Kani kay
11 to 12.
gamitan ako triangle.
Tama tay.
Oh. Ano?
Ang title na to kay kung ano kanang The Clock.
30 na.
Sabi na.
You can stop your work now and prepare to submit your paper. Okay, alas 12 na habi. Ang pabilin mo, ang pinalahuna.
Pwede ra tay? Pwede ra.
Kaya ako, magpabilin sa ko.
Ayaw lang tay. Out lang tay.
Ayaw tayo, mapas mo.
Tapos mo tanda tay. Bugo ang trip. Oh, may lecture na video at buong na ito may nabisikso.
HB din sa sketch.
Oh, HB.
Sketch?
Kasi sa kuwan baka rin name.
Ang name ang sa HB, ang sketch kay DH.
Kasi yung bulpin na lang.
Ano rin bilang sa'yo nga?
Asa ruler? Ruler. Sige gara dito, bagong ka. Library. Library. Ito yung ruler sa krao. Awa, library.
What if the architect kay Kuan buta?
Oh, library. Pwede kaya mo? Excuse me. Mari mo sumbukan yung mga chain.
Ano? Ibas mo ano?
Pakita tayo na.
Ito.
HB man eh.
Isometrics na.
Ako ko HB.
Kaya ang pag-drawing kay Kwan, mag-tubi man.
Katong manok. Pabo. Manok ba?
Bagas utok.
Bawi lang next step. Bawi na next step eh. Sorry guys, di ko ka 10 hours. Bawi lang the next step.
Uy, paano na yung papel? Kaya mga tataw na ko.
Basta tong item na. Item oh. Tay, pa-compile sa naman ni item tay. Before na may atag na tay. Item oh. Yatag yung item. Kasi rating ko lang. Oy, mga pips. Yatag ang item da ano para may akuan. Uy, yung mga ngalay, kalimte ya.
Ay, butang ang kwan.
Ipas kanina ako kapil ba? Di ba? Parang muning-muning. Ano?
Uy,
Oil. Oil.
Ano mga sa experience? Experience.
ipas nga wala.
Patay, nag-isi.
Nag-iisip niya ako. Baksit. Baksit.
Nabidyoan eh mo, Kim. Sabi na lang mo talaga. Ang go exam, ano ba? Ako ni Pasiro.
Mission successful.
Practice is balik.
Ang tigni mo, dalo na sa dire.
Kimi.
Oo.